Welcome to Tools Met. We're taking a closer look at the Spindle Shaper Machine, a powerful woodworking tool designed for precision shaping, molding, and detailed edge profiling. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a hobbyist, this machine delivers the accuracy and performance needed for high-quality results. The Spindle Shaper features a heavy-duty cast iron body which helps reduce vibration and ensures stable operation even during extended use. The heart of the machine is its high-speed rotating spindle, capable of holding a wide range of cutting blades and shaping bits. This makes it perfect for tasks like making raised panels, decorative moldings, cabinet doors, and complex joinery work. One of the biggest advantages of this machine is its adjustable spindle height. This allows users to fine-tune the cutting depth with precision, ensuring clean and consistent shaping across different types of wood. The powerful motor provides smooth cutting performance even on hardwoods like oak or maple. Safety is also a major focus. The machine comes with a sturdy fence system, offering excellent control over the materials as they pass through the cutting area. Many models also include safety guards and emergency stop switches, helping you work confidently and securely. Another great feature is the large flat working table. This not only supports bigger workpieces, but also helps maintain balance and alignment during shaping tasks.